Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video guys, I'm just going to show you the withdrawal proofs. I'm just trying to tell you guys that Gmail on is still working and it is still paying. And remember I told you guys you can withdraw as small as $0.2 or 0.2 USDT. Okay, that is 20 cents, right? So that is the minimal withdrawal you can do. And remember, any email that you create is 29 cents, and if you do the verification you get 34 cents per email. Okay, so it is free, it is available almost everywhere. You can check if you are eligible. I know you are, so long as your country allows a Telegram. So guys, if you're new on my channel, my name is Cynthia. You are all welcome. If you haven't subscribed until this point, please do subscribe, like the video. In case you have any question, just comment down below, and remember to join our WhatsApp group, and the link of this website or site will be sent or and pinned on the comment section. Okay, so I'm going to do another live withdrawal. So you can see guys, yesterday I made a withdrawal of 87 cents. So when you do withdrawal at night, it will come in the like during the day, because they don't operate during the night. Okay, so right now let me check my balance. I'm going to check my balance here. So let's check it together. I know it is not that much, but at least it is something. Okay, so if you can make this for free, why not join guys? Okay, so you can see I'm having around $1.16 or USDT. And remember I did this withdrawal yesterday at night, so you can do many withdrawals as you want. Okay, so long as it has reached the minimal withdrawal and use BEP20 address. Okay, so I did the direct or guidance video, full tutorial. If you don't know how to go through it, you can check my previous video talking about Gmail on. You'll be able to learn all the steps that you need or you haven't learned. So let me do this withdrawal. Obviously if I click on withdraw right now, I'm going to click on withdraw, then they're gonna tell me to enter your USDT, that is BEP20 address. So you have to be careful. So we're gonna go to my Trust Wallet. That is what I'm using, Trust Wallet. Okay, I'm going to show you that withdrawal that I've received from them, that I did at night. They have said, you can see it is completed and well completed. So we are going to get our BEP20 address, right? So you can see what I have in my balance now. So I'm going to click on receive, then I'm going to click on this one. Let me just type it the way you can also do USDT. I'm going to choose USDT BEP20, that is for BNB Smart Chain. Okay, so I'm going to click on copy, then I'm going back to my Telegram, then I'm copying or I'm pasting the link that I've copied. Okay, so you can see withdrawal request for 1.16 cents is USDT has been created successfully. Payment will be made within 48 hours. Guys, I assure you that it will not take this if withdraw now. Oh, so I never post the video. So guys, it is here already. It has been sent. You can see here received 1.13. Okay, so they have taken out their fee. So let us check if we have already received it. So right now guys, I've received it and my balance is 2.05. So you can see it right here. They have deducted the withdrawal. It was 1.16, now it is 1.13, to mean they have taken some cents there. So that is that. It's very simple. I'm just doing this to assure you guys that it works and it is real. Okay, so if you are interested, I'm gonna put the link on the comment section. I'm gonna pin it there. If you have any question, please kindly ask. And And remember to join our WhatsApp group for more updates. And again, like the video, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and see you in my next video, guys.